today I would like to examine our risk and reward management for our team. And let's say you have pumped in an equity of 370,000, which will be converted to USD 100,000. Okay, so from here, you our risk is always kept at 2% in risk and reward ratio. Okay, for reward, it will always depends on the market condition, and therefore that is when we make our decision based on New York session, Asian or Europe session. Okay, so let's say 2% risk based on 100,000 is actually 2,000 risk for one trade only. And usually the broker will allow us to um, have a leverage. That means they are borrowing. Okay, we are borrowing money in a sense, or they can allow us to buy in 100,000 contract with only 1,000 as a margin, a deposit. So the leverage that we are working with is 100 to 1. Okay, so for now, since we have determined our risk, which is 2,000, and the pips mainly means that the risk that we're going to take in this trade, or the stop loss. So once the market go against us in 50 pips or 2,000 in general, we will generally get out from the trade. Okay, so let's say for now our lot size allocation is also based on the risk that we place in and the pips that we uh we choose as in a stop loss. So once this is changed, the lot size will be changed as well in order to be kept under the 2% risk. And therefore, with this pip stop loss, our lot size that allow us to go in is 4 lots, which means the margin needed is per lot is 1,000, which is 1,000. Then for now, it's 4 lots means that we need to have a deposit of 4,000 in order to go in for the trade. And um, for the gains wise, as I mentioned, is on market condition. Okay, and the target that we are looking at, since we are trying to be more neutral standpoint, and we place it at 3% for a start. If 3% means that we need to achieve a 75 pips a week. So per trade, this trade that we will aim at, if it's possible, we will aim at 75 pips. If it's not going to prevail, we will still aim at intraday pips target of 15 pips. And if you're looking at a 12 weeks or a year time frame, generally if you have entered a 100,000 within a year, you will gain back all your double up all your capital, and you have another 100,000 to spend. That is awesome, right? Indeed, this is um, the perks of being in foreign exchange.